we etagwo Rigi G Rigathi Gachagua oyo aumaga wa buru adigime kuga atiriri ati higo tike deputy president Rigathi Gachagua ne ukona press conference adigime kuga atiriri aroka ku resign no agioneka emodo very weak goka ku resign akona ku resign tondu kugioneka modu mare mothe mareragwo ni mama. But the moment okire nabia kwaria augire rucio ni agathie bunge, meaning gutie ku resign resign. Ashoka oka auga dage resign, he will fight till the end. Oho hen allegations iria ciothe erito uhoro wa kambuni 5.2 billion kadathia 5.2 billion ya mosquito net icio ciothe na nioka na araugondo na kauga ena documents shall provide kana shall prove. So tokuga ena documents shall prove. So maundu macio mothe allegations icio ciothe erito ena prove yacio. Ohoro wa shareholding auga mundu rekirire signature ya shareholding na tuira uhurito nayo ni President William Samoei Arap Ruto. Tie ni President Ruto ekirire sign ya shareholding. Mudavadi akirwe kuya giti kiriku Wetangula speaker ogwo. So the person rekirire signature ya shareholding no ni President. I think this guy is very smart. Kumaria jikarete thi, da jikarete thi, wada fuatira debate yoyothe. Rigathi Gachagua is very smart. Oria eka nego confuse. Andu acio marari na maundu make. Hena indo eragwo ati ni mwaka fulani aonete deputy president ukaigwa indo icio aonile miaka 15 tuka deputy president. Kaigwa hena kambuni ya gane yake ukaigwa kambuni yake andikithitie na itore ya ciana ciake. Agatumeire mbeca cigana kugura kindu fulani oetero agauga oetero ni fegi ona tie ni ciana ciake. Oria oka accounta allegation icio ciothe arekireirwo. Ashi counter in a very smart way. As we speak, Rigathi Gachagua has outshined the parliament. He has everything. So, ni accusation ile kwa ishio magathie kuuga thini wa bunge. Allegations ciothe ni aciikira hau ena evidence ya kila kindu ya allegations icio ciothe na ciothe aruga ni maheni. Na tondu auga ena evidence agoji na yakwe andu a mohoro prove icio ciothe then horo utonga wake akwa indo iria tigirwo ni brother yake na koria ndo acio atiriri kana mubunge athie gwikira motion icio bunge kai atekete research yake wega agithi gutengemania motion icio na allegations icio bunge katekete uthuthuria wake wega. Rigathi Gachagua has confused them. Now, mena mathaa manini makwambia kurogota evidence ciao. Mekwambia ku. They have very few hours. Maundu mangiti makorogotera ro uguo. You need to look seriously where the evidence. Yani etereire the last time. Niko wega muno. Etereire the last time. Oka kwaria dana mahe time. Agiaririe Friday ni agakora amahe time. Agiaririe Sunday ni amahe time. Kana Saturday. No oka aria Monday utuko na rucio neguo mathie bunge. The guy is very smart. Ni aria ohoro wa ndani. Maundu mamwe aikiriria hu William Samoei Arap Ruto president na kauga tie. I think this guy is very smart. Na ena advisors yeria maramu advice wega. Advisors ake ni maramu advice wega. Team ya lawyers acio enao, they really did incredible job. Na ungirora uria gutarageria kwiko ni uhoro wa property ataririe wega the panic indo icio ciothe, meaning ena uma wade toke iria impeachment ya guthie through we Kimani makarorako Kimani Chungwa Abetimaina makarorako abugere age Agikuyu hena mubunge wake ndo na thibitari tia thibitari ko ni kwa avoid rucio kuthie bunge ando Ngai ni kwa avoid rucio kuthie bunge thibitari ko hau okirwa arithia we ni uthi wikia no ni uthi wikiria yes ate mundu impeachwo ni uthi we Ndindi Nyoro was very smart. Dekile sign motion yako impeach Gachagua. He was very smart. Tony ali allegation isi yakiona uyo ni olimo. They are pushing it, but on a allegation isi shio there ito sietoro kule igotine still na base, because by the end of it all it might end up in court. But trial igakoro Senate hano kwetukia motion yako impeach, but real trial igakoro Senate. Na kimo tuonire deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua amana senators na ma senators 11. So guys, let's wait and see. Kivumbi Tuesday. Kesho itakuwa moto. Kesho itakuwa moto. But this guy has confused them. In fact, President Igirothe in one mix issue shiothe. Now, where will he go to? Yeah? Moni manyuno maiko na inyue murona atia andu a Ngai. Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. It is what it is, man. Na gauga. Lakini tete shubolane. No kai. It will be very low kuri MPs kuona maundu maria mothe mageretie kumwaka ndoro na kina ki matina succeed. To be very low of them. Nimekuwa na kaida kaito muno. Even to president. Euko thoni nene muno. Todo. It's like he has been behind all this. Do I succeed? Na ali behind it. Oko thoni nene muno. Ohoro wa public participation. Maugiri atia kuva driver kuva makanga. They thought andu mekuga aende nyumbani deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua, but now wetueka kuva driver kuva makanga othe ne kuinuka kweko ne kuinuka wote mainuke. Kama ni kwenda home wote waenda home. Na strategy ya deputy president, I really don't understand kule rutire hakirishi yote Sunday akiwaya muhera. It was strategy, by the way. Sunday alita service ya muhera andu maona umuthi andu maishira oka kulizain ne kulipua ya speculation shia bia utaba ana resign anaenda anaigeme kwa ni thimu makabia ku we ni wetogo yete rudwa ikiona na kana ya gukakwaria na ahoete na niki arokire kwaria igetha akona time nene na media tondu kuria bunge ndangikana heyo time ino yothe ya kwiyaria. Amenya eguka kwiyaria mbere tondu egukona time na media ciothe ni cikweregereire kana media ciothe cikwenda kumenya muno kuigwa uria kuga. It was strategy na ali strategize vizuri sana, akajua atakuja kujiongea because akienda pale bunge hata pewa time ya kujiongea. So ni vizuri kwanza akuja ajiongee na onyeshana evidence na prove ya kila kitu. Au gweshiria aduna yatukanire as we speak tukanirwo gutiri araria na wathi gwake manisho ngwa ndarauga Betty Maina aria othe mamura gutiri mundu ra post kindu na ukina makirete makayu kwani kunaenda aje huko Neko Podcast manu manyura Neko. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. God bless you.